Hey guys, your boy said Amin back with another video. First. So first you're gonna follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm waiting. You just follow me on Instagram right over here. Follow me on Instagram, I'm waiting. Okay, done. Okay, so today's video I'm going to destroying my brother's joystick. Let me show you, just wait. Here it is, my brother's joystick. Like, it's very old, he playing this joystick, so I thought, like, let me destroy this shit and gift him a brand new iPad. I know it's going to be insane, but let's see how it goes. So let me change my dress. So we are going to Apple Store right now and let's buy a new iPad and everything what my brother need. So yeah, let me change my clothes. 1, 2, 3. So we are ready to go. I'm fucking ready. And before we go, I'm missing something. Yeah, my exclusive chain, you know. Yeah, after this I'm ready to go out. And I'll see you guys in outside. So yeah guys, we are ready to go out and can't wait to buy iPad. And let's see how my brother's reaction. So guys, I'm ready to go. Let's start this shit. Hey guys, it was Amin back again. So guys, yeah, I told you guys I'm going to buy a new iPad for my brother. And along with a pen, I guess. Yeah, he's going to be... Sorry. You know, I never done this. I never surprised my brother with some gifts. But here we are in Apple Store, iPlanet. Yeah. So first of all, let me go inside and buy whatever I want, and I will get back to you guys. I'm done shopping for my brother. I bought like an iPad and a pen. That's it, because that's too much. Now I will head back to my house, and I have finally reached to my house. Now is the time to prank my brother. So as you can see, I destroyed this like 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, sorry for overacting, but screw this joystick. Fuck. Again, one more time. As you can see, it's completely destroyed, but it's not working. Yeah, it's not working, dogs. As you can see, I'm keep pressing the button, but it's not working. Okay, no problem now. So I will show you guys what I bought. This is the time, okay? This is the time. I will show you guys what I bought. Okay, I get you, bro. I already unboxed it, but oh my god, my brother going to love this. And this is the iPad. I don't know which model this is. iPad Pro, yeah, iPad Pro. And one more thing I have to show you guys. iPencil. Yeah, it's not a pen, it's an iPencil. So I bought this. 2 things for my brother. Yeah, 2 things for my brother. I think my brother going to love it. So let me hide this stuff real quick. So yeah, I'm keeping this stuff inside. Okay, and grabbing my bag. Oh my god, let me hide this shit. Where I will hide. I have to hide my camera. I will hide my camera over here so I can get my brother's reaction. I hope. Oh my god, dude, it's not. Oh my god, where should I start? It's you can see, right? Yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah. I will hide it, and no need. Like, I will just act I'm sleeping, okay?
Ooh, Barish.
2,000 years later.
Let's play. What the hell happened to this? Chal ja. No. You know, Amin.
Yo, what happened, dog?
What happened to this joystick, bro? When I last left, it was perfect. Now it's not even owning. What happened to it?
Yeah,
I just have only one, bro.
Bro,
What
I
you
did.
See, it's not even
I did
working.
nothing, dude. I did
Not
nothing.
even working, dude. See,
I did nothing.
what you did, bro.
I swear to God, I did nothing.
Then what happened to it? What the hell, bro? What the hell?
Yo, chill, dog.
What the
Chill.
hell, bro?
Chill. I got something for you. I got
What
something
is
for you.
what?
Wait.
Why are you
this,
doing this?
Wait.
What the hell you? What?
You can see the camera.
the hell you
I'm
doing?
recording you, dog. Like, I
What's
bought
this?
you new iPad.
Why? Is this real?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
it's fake.
No, you can open it. You can open it. It's not fake. It's not
Why
fake.
you do this?
You can open that shit.
Okay, cool.
It's not fake. It's not fake. It's real. It's real. I swear to God, it's
And
real,
what
bro.
about the joystick? Did you bought a new joystick?
Bro, I told you you always play games. I don't like
Yeah.
that.
But how
So
should I
screw
play
this.
now?
Screw
What the
this
hell,
again.
bro?
Screw
What the hell? I
that.
can fix this, bro.
Bro,
I can
you don't
fix
have to
this.
play
I
games
only
every
have one,
day.
bro. I have to do it.
We
Because
can
I
buy
only
another
have
one, but don't play
you know how
games.
much I play games, you know?
Man, what do you want to say to the video, bro?
Very crazy, bro. I didn't expected this, and my joystick is gone. This crazy guy is surprised me with this iPad. Today, for now, I should play games in this only.
I got a pen for you, dude.
Yeah,
A
that's
pencil.
good, bro. Thank you so much, man.
Like, you can play
But
your...
it's old model, bro.
I got no money, bro.
Oh, bro. Get me a new joystick.
No,
man. Get me a new joystick.
no. Like, if you guys enjoy this video, like on this video and subscribe to my channel for this crazy
Subscribe
prank.
for this guy, crazy guy. I didn't expected this while coming home, and my joystick is totally gone, bro. Like, what to have to do now?
Yo, we can buy another one, bro. Like,
Okay.
again, peace. So, and that's it. Yeah, cut.
See you.